Hello fellow aviators, welcome back to Aliong'o Aerosphere. Let's talk aviation. Now in today's video we'll be tackling the question of who really is an aviator. You see, is it the pilot sitting in the cockpit controlling the aircraft? You know, the one in uniform at 35,000 feet? Or is it something bigger than that? If we go back in time, the word aviator comes from the Latin avis, which simply means bird, B-I-R-D. Now in the early 1900s, it described a rare kind of person, the pioneers, the risk takers, the few who dared to leave the ground. Back then, if you flew the machine, you were the aviator. But aviation didn't stay simple. Aircrafts evolved, systems grew, and flying became something no single person could do alone. You see, today, an aircraft moves because of a system. Engineers have to design it, technicians have to maintain it, dispatchers have to plan it, ground crew prepare it, pilots operate it. Take one piece away and nothing works, nothing flies. But even that isn't the full picture, because aircrafts don't fly just because they can. They fly because someone needs to go somewhere. A mother coming home, a student chasing an opportunity, a family reuniting, a dream taking off. The passenger isn't outside aviation. The passenger is the reason it exists. So what is an aviator? It's not just the one holding the controls. Let me say this again. It's anyone connected to the act of flight. Anyone who builds it, supports it, trusts it, and becomes part of it. Aviation isn't an individual achievement. It's a shared system, a shared responsibility, a shared experience. So on this channel, we say aviator. We're talking to all of you, the pilot, the engineer, the technician, the operator, the student, and you, the traveler. If you're part of the journey, you belong here, because aviation isn't just built by a few, it's completed by everyone it carries. So whether you fly it, fix it, plan it, or simply take a seat on it, you are not just along for the ride. You are an aviator. Hello, fellow aviator. So thank you very much for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having you on our channel, and we look forward to seeing you in our next one. Kwaheri kwa leo, and see you next time. Bye-bye, bye-bye.